Good morning, students. I am Aparna Mandal and I am going to teach you the class 6 science subject separation of substances, that too sedimentation, decantation and filtration. So, I have taken soil and water in it. So, the lighter substance of the soils are floating in water and the heavier substance of the soils is settled down at the bottom. So, the settlement of the heavier substance at the bottom is known as sedimentation, and the lighter substance and the water get separated. So, we can collect this, the lighter substance and the water, I have collected it through the decantation process. So, this method is known as decantation. After decantation, you have to again purify it. To purify it, you have to take a filter paper. Fold the filter paper like this and make a cone shape. And after taking the cone shape, you can see like this. You have to put the filter paper in the funnel and take a jar. I have taken the flask to collect the pure water. In this method of filtration, the impure substances the substances which are insoluble in water, that will be separated. But if salt and sugar or soluble substances are added to water, that cannot be separated by this technique. So, I am pouring water in it. See, I am pouring water in it and the impure substances cannot pass through the filter paper, as the filter paper has very small pores. So, the insoluble substances will remain in the filter paper and we can collect the pure water. See, in this flask, see, pure water has been collected. And see, I have done it previously, and impure substances or the insoluble substances of the soil are collected in the filter paper. So, in the whole method, we have learnt three different things: sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Okay? In the sedimentation technique, the whole heavier things are settled down. In the decantation technique, we collect the water with light impurities, and in the filtration technique we filter out the insoluble substances from the water. So, these things can be seen in real life. That is when we collect tea, when we purify tea from tea leaves or from fruit juice or from making of paneer. We also use these things, and the filtration can be done through your जो कॉटन होता है, कपड़ा होता है, उससे भी you can collect all these things. So, filtration, decantation and sedimentation are related to our whole life. So, enjoy this topic and write it down and note it down. Thank you, students.